So hello, this is my first time posting about my garden I started this year. So you are looking at my basil plant that is looking crazy right now because it has some frost damage. But then I have some fresh parsley. Now this was some chives. They're doing okay, but I've seen them in a better state. Some green onion I have. I am attempting to do garlic for the first time. I know garlic takes a long time to grow, but that's where they're at right now. And this actually was garlic that I got from the grocery store. So that was pretty cool that I was able to just utilize what I had. And this is my mint. It looks a little rough right now too, probably because of the weather and maybe some pests that were feeding on it. You see the holes. I started some green onion from seed and also started some cilantro from seed or cumin. Also, my jalapeno plant. I started this this spring and it's actually still producing. As you can see, kind of comparing it to my hand. So my nails aren't done, so don't worry about it. These are gardening hands at this point. But looking good. And also I started doing a little bit of gardening with these. I'm so proud of these. These are gonna be my, hopefully, awapui. It's a Hawaiian ginger plant, so shampoo ginger. And they look a little rough right now because of the temperatures are going kind of like more in the 40 degree temperature in the mornings right now. So the leaves are browning some and yellowing, but it's okay. I did put, this is just black mulch around it to hope to help it from getting too cold whenever we have more colder days ahead. And then these are, what are these? I forgot what they're called. Marigolds. That's what they are. They actually started off kind of like that small right there and really started to take off in certain spots. So that's pretty cool. This is my verbena plant. I may be saying that wrong, but I just kind of moved it a little bit because, again, I applied mulch in this area. So I had to kind of move it back from where the, I guess, foundation, this cement is on the house, and making sure I had some mulch back there. And so that's that. Now let's go over to the raised beds. I have been having a lot of success with collard greens. So these are the Georgia collards, and these two, the tall ones, I started those this spring. They have been producing ever since. I just did a big harvest on them, so that's why they look as small as they do now as far as in the leaves up top. I am starting them on a I guess feeding regimen where I am giving them fertilizer every 2 weeks just to fast produce for the Thanksgiving season. And these are some that I just put down not long ago. I want to say maybe about I don't know, maybe 2 months ago or so, but I started those from seed, so that's where they're at now compared to those. Now these are ones that I'm very proud of. These are my Morris Hedding collard greens. I started these from seed. I want to say it was end of April, maybe. Yeah, I think end of April I started these and they really took off. I've already harvested a big basket full of these, so this is just what is remaining in left. So these are looking really good. And then I also have some over here. It's the same thing. Now something is eating this, so I don't have this covered up good enough to prevent it from having the pests come, so I need to reevaluate how to have that covered. This I'm probably going to just get rid of because the caterpillars just ate this up completely. So I'm probably need to repurpose this grow bag because I don't think it's any saving this at all. And then I have more Morris Hedding over here. and more over here. These I'm probably going to give to my sister that loves the collard greens that I give her whenever I have a good quantity of collard greens to share. But that is it. And honestly, I haven't been posting, and I know I just started like a year ago and only put out like 4 videos, but sorry you guys, life has been lifing, and I really do not like to have to edit videos, so I'm just gonna talk through them like this, and if I make a mistake, hey, it's real, that's life, and it is what it is. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and sharing my little green thumb that I'm starting to have, I guess. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.